Hi everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Woo-young Lim. I'm an Associate Professor of Economics and the UG Coordinator of the two programs offered by the Department of Economics at HKUST, BBA in Economics and BSc in Economics and Finance. Let me spend about 20 minutes to you to introduce the two programs. I hope you enjoy it. Our department offers three UG programs altogether: BBA in Economics, BSc in Mathematics and Economics, and BSc in Economics and Finance. The BSc in Math Econ program is jointly offered with the Department of Mathematics. In this presentation, I will focus on the other two programs, BBA in Economics and BSc in Economics and Finance. So, what is economics? It is hard to define economics in one or two sentences, but let me try. It is a social science that studies the choices that we, individual, businesses, organizations, government, and entire society make as they cope with the scarcity of resources. It also studies the incentives that influences and reconcile the choices we make. We all make choices every moment of our lives. Economics emphasizes the consequences of the choices we make. If we choose to produce one good or service, that means we cannot produce something else, due to the limited time and resources, of course. If we decide to buy one product, that means we cannot buy something else. This basic trade-off results in the notion of the opportunity cost. Economics presumes that people respond to the incentives provided by this opportunity cost of their choices. Any decision problems that involve trade-offs are economics problems. It covers a wide range of problems, from individual decision problems to public policy-making problems. Not only consumers' consumption choice problem and producers' profit maximization problems, but also marriage and political voting decisions. More macro-level decision problems are covered as well, including housing market, stock market, exchange rate, unemployment, international trade, and economic growth. Economics consists of several key building blocks. Microeconomics is a field of economics that studies individual decision problems. The famous notion of invisible hand by Adam Smith is one of the key concepts in microeconomics. Macroeconomics is an area that studies more aggregate level problems, including economic growth, interest rate, unemployment, asset market bubble, monetary policy, and so on. Econometrics is a subject that investigates statistical methodologies used to deal with micro and macro level data. These three key fields of economics are tied together by the fundamental methodology of theoretical and model-based analysis. As a field of science, economists believe that all models have to be tested rigorously. That is why the final missing building block is the empirical and data-driven analysis. So, what is the main objective of our program? Of course, we want to teach economics well. But more importantly, we would like to help our students to build an analytical mindset. The analytical mindset will be extremely powerful when it comes with a proper analytical skill to deal with data, given that we are now living in an era of big data. Our curriculum is designed for our students to obtain a balanced micro and macroeconomics point of view as well. Together with this, the quantitative analytical training that our programs offer will allow our students to identify and address novel and challenging problems successfully. Then, you may wonder why you need to study economics at HKUST. That's why I now introduce you the special and unique values that our university, school, and department can add to you. First, according to the QS World University Ranking in 2020, which is one of the most influential university ranking measures, the Department of Economics at HKUST is ranked at 29th in the world, first in Hong Kong, third in Greater China, and fifth in Asia. Of course, this ranking is a noisy measure, but it is definitely informative about the academic and educational quality that our department provides to our students. Next, we offer very flexible credit-based program curricula, which consist of 4 different course categories: University Common Core courses, Business Core courses, Major Required courses, and additional free electives. The University Common Core courses cover various basic but fundamental courses across different disciplines. Business Core courses are the core courses in business subjects, including economics, accounting, information system, marketing, and management. Major Required courses are the courses focusing on economics in topic and methodology. More advanced level economics courses belong to this category. And there are a few extra elective courses you can choose to take. BBA Economics and BSc Econ and Finance are differentiated with each other with respect to the compositions of this requirement. First, BBA Economics requires 36 credits of Common Core courses, between 45 to 46 credits of Business Core courses, and 23 to 24 credits of Major Required courses. Second, BSc Econ and Finance requires 36 credits of Common Core courses, 33 to 34 credits of Business Core courses, and 40 to 41 credits of Major Required courses. Both programs have the minimum requirement of 120 credits. This simple comparison allows us to understand that BBA Econ program is suitable for students with broad interest who'd like to explore various kinds of business subjects, while BSc Economics and Finance is suitable for those who'd like to get more focused training on economics and finance. After all, the pros and cons of each program seem quite clear. BBA Economics provides you with a larger flexibility to pursue double major, given the lower requirement for the Major Required courses. It focuses on applying economic knowledge and analysis to a wide range of business environment. At the same time, it provides our students with great exposure to the analytical framework that the field of economics emphasizes. Eventually, the training broadens your view of the world so that you should be able to successfully address any social and business problems. On the other hand, BSc Economics and Finance offers a more focused training on economics and finance. It aims at providing a rigorous training and delivering fundamental knowledge. In the process of learning, you will encounter a number of instances in which you are asked to learn and use mathematical, statistical, and modeling tools. So, you should not be afraid of them. Eventually, the program will enhance your confidence on dealing with complex social and business problems based on theoretical and data analysis and identifying a causal relationship. So, what do you need to choose between BBA Economics and BSc Economics and Finance when you want to study economics at HKUST? Your answer should depend on your interest and the career path that you would like to pursue. What kind of jobs do you expect to get after graduating from our programs? Here is the brief summary of the data from the 2019 Graduate Employment Survey. As you can see here, quite some majority of students from both programs got a job in the banking and finance sector, followed by the administration and management sector. One key observation about the difference between the two programs is that the job placement of the BBA Economics students is more diverse, while that of the BSc Economics and Finance students is more concentrated. But I would like to emphasize that over 60% of our students received 2 or more job offers when or before they graduate. Of course, the great success that our students achieved came from their original and raw talent. But we also do our best to help our students develop their full potential. For example, nearly 90% of our students have internship experiences. We organize alumni sharing sessions, career fair, and industry talks regularly. We also provide several channels for our students to experience economics research. It includes Junior Research Fellowship, Independent Research Project, and Undergraduate Research Opportunity Program. Through these channels, you will be able to interact with our faculty members and have an opportunity to be part of their research. For those who are interested in pursuing further graduate studies, I'd like to share with you some data about what programs our students pursue to study further after they graduate from our programs. As you can see in the table here, we continuously send our best students to the very top economics PhD programs in the US and UK. It is noticeable that some of our students pursue marketing PhD, which in my view is also a very smart choice for those who received rigorous economics and analytical training but is interested in more applied business subjects. To summarize, we are doing our best to provide you with a good bridge to your brighter future. I'd like to invite all of you to be part of the Department of Economics, School of Business and Management at HKUST in the near future. If you have any further inquiries, please do not hesitate to visit our departmental website or contact us at econ@ust.hk. So, how was the tour we prepared for you to our two economics programs? I guess that you are able to get some basic knowledge about our program, but may still want to know more about our department. If that is the case, I strongly encourage you to visit our department website and take a look at our faculty profile. I am pretty sure that you will find they are doing very interesting research.